were trying to mediate, correct? All right.
We've been through this before. Let's move on to a new topic, please.
You'd heard that people calling him a predator, correct?
I don't know what I heard. I heard them saying stuff about a little girl, and I don't know what else it was. I don't know. I didn't know, like I said, I didn't know if there was a girl in that group. I wasn't worried about whether or not there was. I was worried about getting the person that they were calling a pedophile or a raper away from the minors. You can have a conversation about that later.
You agree that even though you're not, as you say, you're not a fighter, you pushed a man from behind while your friend was smacking him in the front. Agreed?
I would.
Hold on. Sustained. We've been through this before many times. Please.
You have an
Please. I am speaking.
Sorry.
Please move to a new topic.
I apologize, Judge. I thought you were done. Do you have any explanation as to why you pushed him while your friend was hitting him if you're not a fighter?
Objection, Judge.
I already answered
no,
this.
please.
Asked and answered.
Sustained.
Was it because you got caught up with the crowd?
It was because I couldn't see the person in front of me because my hair was blocking my vision, and I was focused on the man who had just punched a 23-year-old or 22-year-old girl in the face.
That's all.
Mr. Anderson?
Nothing else.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Martin. You may step down. Is he released?
No.
Okay. Please see the witness coordinator in the back. Do you have another witness available?
We do. Can we approach?
Yes. Qasri Azimpur.
Qasri Azimpur. That does a lot of practice. Your Honor, she may have stepped downstairs. We've got folks looking for her.
Okay.
We can take.
So while we're in between witnesses, if you want to stand and stretch, please do so. It just might be a moment or two before she comes back upstairs. What I'd like to do is get as far as we can, and then we'll break for lunch close to you. You'll let me know when the lunch arrives. Okay. Ms. Kazrai Nazimpour, please come forward. Right into about the middle section here, and then you can face the clerk, raise your right hand. She will administer the oath.
You swear that the testimony you are about to give in this matter shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I do.
Please have a seat in the witness chair. Mr. Smesta.
Would you please say your name and spell your name for us, please?
My name is Gabriella Kazrai Nazimpour, and how to spell Kazrai Nazimpour is KHAZRAEINAZMPOUR.
How old are you?
25 years old.
What do you do for a living?
What?
What do you do for a living?
I work as a phlebotomist at Octapharma in Maplewood.
Where do you live? What town?
I live in Centuria, Wisconsin.
Were you part of a group with the Carlson family tubing on the Apple River back on July 30th of 2022?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? I can't hear you.
I'm going to pull the microphone closer. Sorry. Do you have some hearing loss?
Yeah, I was deaf as a baby.
Okay. Were you part of a group of people that were tubing down the Apple River back on July 30th of 2022, including the Carlson family?
Yes, I was.
If I can approach, Judge?
Yes.
Do you go by a nickname?
You can call me Gabby.
Gabby, I'm going to show you what's been marked as exhibit number 26. I'll ask if you recognize that document.
Yes.
Can you tell us what it is?
It's a picture of me and all my friends on the Apple River.
Is it from that day, July 30th, 2022?
Yes, it was.
Which one are you?
I'm the one standing next to Q and Dante.
Is there a yellow label showing your name?
Yes, there is.
In that picture, are you drinking any alcoholic beverages?
No, I am not.
Had you been drinking that day?
Yes, I was.
Do you remember what you had to drink?
No, I do not.
Do you remember how many drinks you had?
If I had to guess, maybe 5.
All right. And is that 5 over the course of the day?
Yeah, throughout the whole Apple River, tubing down the river.
All right. At some point, as your group is going down the river, did you come across a disturbance of some kind?
Yes.
What did you see yourself?
I saw a group of kids asking for help.
Did you know who these kids were?
No, I did not.
Could you figure out why they were asking for help?
They said that this guy was saying that he was a pet. They were, I'm sorry.
Slow down. We got time.
They were asking for help because he said he was a pedophile.
All right. He said that or they said that?
They said that.
All right. Did your group stop when you came across this disturbance?
Not originally, no. It took us a little bit before we did.